Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to recharge AC in Ford Transit, full guide. Start by locating the low side service port under the hood. Use gloves and eye protection when handling refrigerant. Confirm ambient temperature is above 60 degrees F and the system is cooled before connecting gauges. Follow the canister instructions and add refrigerant slowly while monitoring pressure and cabin cooling performance. I'll walk you through Before you start, make sure you have manifold gauges, a refrigerant can designed for R134A, and leak detector or soap solution. Park the Transit on level ground and run the engine with the AC at max to equalize pressures. Record current gauge readings and cabin feel to compare after charging. Keep a rag handy to catch spills and dispose of empty cans responsibly. I'll explain pressure targets and how to avoid overcharging. Connect the low side hose to the service port and ensure the can valve is closed before opening the gauge. Purge any air from the hose by briefly opening the can valve away from the vehicle, then reconnect and open slowly to add refrigerant while watching the low side sigh. Add in short bursts and check cabin cooling after each burst until pressure and temperature are within target ranges. If pressures spike or cool down stops, stop and diagnose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.